Use the information in the figure to prove that triangle WXY is congruent to triangle ZVY. In order to prove that triangle WXY is congruent to triangle ZVY, you need to show that all pairs of corresponding parts are congruent. To do this, you can use a two-column proof. To begin the two-column proof, you should start with the given information. From the pair of single tick marks on the diagram, you know that side WX is congruent to side ZV. From the pair of double tick marks on the diagram, you know that side XY is congruent to side VY. And from the pair of triple tick marks on the diagram, you know that side WY is congruent to side ZY. In addition, from the right angle symbols on the diagram, you know that angle X and angle Y are right angles. Next, because all right angles are congruent, you can state that angle X is congruent to angle Y. Now, notice from the diagram that angle WYX and angle ZYV are vertical angles. So, by the vertical angles congruence theorem, you can state that angle WYX is congruent to angle ZYV. Next, because two angles of triangle WXY are congruent to two angles of triangle ZVY, you can use the third angles theorem to state that the third angles W and Z are congruent. Now, notice that you have shown that all pairs of corresponding parts of the two triangles are congruent. Therefore, because all corresponding parts are congruent, you can state that triangle WXY is congruent to triangle ZVY. This shows that triangle WXY is congruent to triangle ZVY, completing the proof.